Hi Year Nines. In this video, I'm just going to quickly talk about the task that I would like you to have a go with. And so for this task, I want you to do some research. I want you to find some world record measurements. And so I've got an example here of one that I've found. We've got a person here and he has a Guinness World Record for having the world's longest recorded nose. And so his nose measured 8.8 centimeters. And so find yourself a ruler. Check out how long is 8.8 centimeters. Measure your own nose. How do you compare? That might give you an idea of how long his nose is. And so, yeah, it was last measured in 2010. And so what I've got here is I've got a table and I've put this column here, longest nose. So that's a Guinness World Record. And I've written the measurement. So we were told that it was recorded, it was measured as 8.8 centimeters. And so that's probably a sensible thing to of measurement to use for a nose. And so that's in centimeters. 88 millimeters still makes a little bit of sense. It probably doesn't make much sense for going for meters and kilometers, but that's what I want you to do. Is I want you to write these different Guinness World Records or whatever real world records you find in each of these units. And so, yeah, for writing the longest nose in kilometers, it doesn't make a lot of sense to say 0.0000088 kilometers, but I want you to have a go at moving between these units and dealing with some numbers that are a little bit more tricky or quite small or quite large potentially. And so copy and complete this table. You've got another 5 sections to fill in. So find 5 other distances, heights, lengths, that kind of thing, because you're dealing with millimeters, centimeters, meters, and kilometers here. And so, yeah, see if you can find some things that are small values for their world records. You might find something where kilometers is the natural measurement length or the best kind of unit. And so then you'll be dealing with some really big numbers when you deal with centimeters and millimeters. I'd also like you to do the same for this table. And so this one is dealing with weights rather than lengths or distances. And so we've got milligrams, grams, kgs, and tons. So this was another world record I found where the heaviest carrot that's been recorded was measured in at 10.17 kgs. And if we convert to some of our other units, 10,170 grams, 10,170,000 milligrams, or 0.01017 tons. And so, yeah, there's a natural unit. Kgs is probably the most appropriate unit here, but I've converted to tons, grams, and milligrams as well. And so again, find some things that are world records for weights and try and write all of those things as different in the different units.